what's in my hand. You can guess where we are. It's windy. It is the Ganpati breaks, and again the sens are out on the road. Let's pan the camera to show you where we are. So yes, we are here in Dapoli. We are at the Fern Samadhi Resort. So let's take you around, and before I do so, I would just like to tell you this place is huge, okay? And there is greenery all around. It is immense. I mean, I do not know when to start from and where we are going to end if we have to walk around. Let's take you to the lobby area. If you see, there is a lot of work of brick, so it gives you that rustic feeling. This is the entrance to the lobby. The reception area is here. Again, look at the ceilings, high ceilings, wooden structure. So it gives you that feel of the old world charm. Mandatory room tour that any travel vlog has to have. We are put up at the Fern Samadhi Resort here in Dapoli. The room is quite spacious. What I like about this is the high ceiling. It gives you that quaint feeling, and this sit out area. It has been raining, so it's beautiful now. I do not know if you are going to be lucky, but if you're lucky, you can see visitors. We had a couple of swans roaming around here. Then we had a few monkeys come to say hi to the Gantika. There are a few turkeys somewhere there. I don't know if the Banjan can just zoom in so that you can see them.
My favorite spot is the bed. My favorite spot is the bed because it's really bouncy and extremely soft.
Good morning everybody. Got up really early because there is a nature's trail just beside the hotel. So right beside the hotel entrance there is a trail. I have no idea how far it goes, but the trail overlooks the beautiful hills and the ocean beyond them.
Can we go down once more?
We've just come back after our darshan. It's a really deep cave. This is a 7,000-year-old structure. All you see around it's all natural. And inside there is no light. The light that emits is only from the diya that is lit in front of Chandrika Devi.
If you go down and see, there's a water.
Konkan is known for its food, and today we are here at a very small setup. It's called Manisha Nivas, and what I have on my plate is fresh bhakri, chicken, the gravy, rice and some salad. I am extremely hungry, so I'll just dig in. It looks yummy.